Hello and welcome back to my channel Galaxy Girl Graphics. So today I'm sharing with you a really cool design hack in Adobe Illustrator. As far as I know, this should work along all versions of Illustrator where you have this font. But anyway, I'm showing you how to get this really beautiful flowery detail without having to go and draw everything out. So you're going to start by going to the text tool, the type tool, and you're going to just type a letter, let's say A, and you're going to make it in this font, Hello My Love Ornaments. And you can see what it changes the font to here. It makes this really beautiful shape. This is the letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and P, Q, R. You get the idea. And so it's very similar to if you had wingdings on your computer in just a Word document. It makes a different shape when you type each key. So I'm going to go into this same font. I'm going to type, let's see, Z. The last few letters are these really pretty swirls. Let's go with this one. I'm going to select it just like it's regular text, and I'm going to expand it down here. Let's see how big I want this. I'm just making this the size that I want it, and I may come in and change which design this is actually. Just because I want to see, I may do a flower, let's see. Let's do this. We're going to go ahead up here real quick to Object, Transform, Reflect, and I want it reflected like this. And I just want it backwards like that. There may be a font version of that, but this is the quick way that I know. I'm going to do that. Now, since this is text, we can create it just the same way that we would do regular text. We're going to select what we want, go over here to the right, and go down to Create Outlines, and create outlines of that. We're going to Unite, and Object, Compound Path, Make. And then this is all one piece of text. So this will translate into Cricut just like the text will. I can show you that if you want. Let me see. Save as. And save on my computer. I'm going to type this as fireflies and save it as an SVG file. Save. And then I'm going to go over into my Cricut app here, new project, and my Cricut is a little bit slow sometimes. Then I'm going to go to upload down here, upload image, browse, and where I just saved it, it will be, let's see, fairly sure I saved it to my desktop, fireflies. So, under, once this is uploaded, then you can see it's all just one piece here, but it's going to be two separate pieces because fireflies and the text and this leafy thing are separate. So once we get it in here, it should be in two solid pieces. Like I said, my Cricut does run a little bit slow sometimes, so it may be having... It's actually doing pretty good today. Loading, and there we go. You can see that it is two separate pieces and one SVG. So we could cut this in two different colors if we wanted, but you can see that it will cut the flowers along with this text for up here, and this will be a piece along with the text down here. So that is how you add these really cool flowery, leafy design elements into your SVGs. You can see it's really easy, it takes just a couple of minutes, and it really will add some extra punch to your design. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. This channel is fully for graphic design and graphic elements, so please check it out. Also, if you are interested in purchasing SVGs, you can find the link to my Etsy shop in the description below and on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching.